Everybody knows bears love honey. One sunny morning, Mr. Bear walked to his cupboard. "Oh no, no honey," he gasped. His tummy rumbled loudly. "I must get honey right now." So Mr. Bear marched into the forest. Soon, he spotted a big beehive hanging from a tree. He sniffed the sweet air. Honey," he drooled. Mr. Bear stuck his paw into the hive and zzz. A tiny bee zoomed out. "Hey, bear! Stop," buzzed the bee. "That honey belongs to us." Mr. Bear puffed up proudly. "I am big. I am strong. I can do whatever I want. Now buzz off." He pushed his paw inside again. Zzz. Zing. "OWWWW," cried Mr. Bear. The bee had stung him right on his nose. "My nose. My poor nose." Mr. Bear got angry, very angry. He grabbed a big stick. "I will squash that little bee," he growled. He swung the stick. Whoosh! Whoosh! But the tiny bee was too fast. "I will get you," roared Mr. Bear. The bee flew into the hive. "Ha! Now you're trapped." Mr. Bear smashed the hive. Smash! 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 Then he heard a sound growing louder. A giant swarm of bees burst out of the hive. They flew around Mr. Bear like a buzzing storm. Zing! On his ear. Zing! On his elbow. Zing! 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 Everywhere. "Ahhhhhhhh," cried Mr. Bear as he ran through the forest. He ran all the way home and slammed the door. Bam! Mrs. Bear stood behind him with her arms crossed. "You lost your temper again, didn't you?" she sighed. Mr. Bear snuffled sadly. "Yes, and it really hurts." Mrs. Bear gave him medicine. Then she opened the cupboard. "There was honey all along," she said. "It was just behind the flower." Mr. Bear's jaw dropped.